my husband, Dr. Nadir, is an orthopedic surgeon. And, I thought a way to a man. Then I had developed some allergies. And, I was really miserable, not in good health. I was a doctor. We thought we knew everything, but actually our health was not good. So Dr. Nadir started losing weight. I got onto the products. Within 1 week, I got my energy back. Within 2 weeks, my allergies went down. And see how nice I look now, 20 years later. I feel much younger and so energetic. And you can hear me, my energy is same. In fact, better than it was 20 years back. And you saw my video that was just 2 days back, and that is how I exercise at the age of 62. So if you want to feel young, look young, so that's the way to go. Be on Herbalife products for life. So, that is when we decided we are going to use these products for life. Our two daughters, our sons-in-law, our samdis, our friends, our colleagues, everybody, whoever comes, in this distance within our hands, gets onto Herbalife products. So if you want to stay healthy for rest of your life, this is the first gift you will get from Herbalife, that is health. And this is how I do my yoga, and this is how I do my resistance exercise. This is how I do my meditation and core. And see, these are the yogasanas. So fitness level is super. So this is the first gift we got, health. Then when Herbalife started, we were not looking for business at all. Me and my husband had successful practice use, and we called up the corporate and said, we are getting these checks. We don't know why. I think they are not our checks. They said, no, they are your checks. You keep them. We didn't understand anything. What can you understand about Herbalife business in 2 months? The third month, company sent us a check of 2 lakhs. This is because we had become supervisors and we were talking to people and people were joining us like crazy. So this is what I want to tell the new people, that this is what is possible in first 3 months of joining Herbalife. Any new person who wants to join us, if they are a customer, they like to know what can happen to them in the first month or first 3 months. Similarly, an associate or a wellness coach would like to know, if they get associated, what is possible for them in the first month or the first 3 months. So what I am showing you is the reality. This is not hope. This is reality. This is what is possible in first 3 months. So if we are serious about our health, or if we are serious about our business, we need to focus on creating a story, a product story and a income story. And this is what people believe. People believe what you show them, not what you say. They have to see it. So this is when we decided, you need to understand, I and Dr. Nadir, we studied in medical college for 10 years. And after 10 years of practice, he and I were making 2 lakhs per month. And here we didn't understand anything about Herbalife, but Herbalife equaled our full-time income in first 3 months. And that was really shocking. And that day we decided that we are going to do Herbalife for rest of the life. We can, we as doctors are a part of sickness industry. People are sick. That is why they come to us. But in Herbalife, we are a part of $1 trillion wellness industry, where we are preventing diseases. We are helping people. As doctors, we didn't know how to prevent disease. We were only treating disease. But here, as a part of wellness, I and Dr. Nadir are creating prevention, preventing people from getting sick. So, we are still doing part-time. We are president teams, but still part-time. And that is what is possible with Herbalife. No other company you can work part-time and make so much money and get a president team check. So second gift we got was financial independence. Financial independence is, you can buy anything. You don't have to look at the right side. And, you don't have to look, and, you can help other people. You can give back to the society. And you have the honor of your mentors being there. They are the highest, in the top 10 in the beginning. They give back so much to the society. The whole world looks up to them. They are so humble, so generous, that we are overwhelmed by their kindness, generosity. And, humility. So you have your mentor. So these are the cars we drive, number of Mercedes. This is our nutrition club. It is not about money, but I am telling you how lifestyle changes with Herbalife. In very short, I will tell you our story. This is where, and our office was actually inaugurated by Raju ji and Cynthia ji. And, they did training here and we are so honored. And, they are in our heart every day. We thank them for being part of our lives. Really, honestly, we are so indebted. And this is the thing where you see the Fervor Life Family Foundation gifts. Can you see? This is the first shake you see in this, the first shake made in 1980. And then there are gifts from Family Foundation. You see autographed bat of Virat Kohli and Saina Nehwal and Mary Kom, and innumerable gifts when you give back to the society. So that was the second gift, the financial independence. The third gift we got was lifestyle. Before Herbalife, we were doctors. We were making money, but we were not making so much money as to go abroad every 3 months. We used to drive only a small car like Maruti 800, and we used to go to Nainital or Shimla. And we didn't have so much money to travel abroad. But with Herbalife, we have been abroad close to 100 times, 100 trips around the globe. And that is truly fantastic. This is our first trip. Within 6 months of joining Herbalife, we were sent on a fully paid trip to Los Angeles. And I am sitting in Mark Hughes' chair in Mark Hughes' office. Isn't that wonderful? Even if you are working in Reliance, you cannot sit in Anil Ambani's chair or Mukesh Ambani's chair. But the whole office was thrown open, the whole house was thrown open to Herbalife associates, and we were two small associates from India. And I'm sitting in Mark Hughes' chair. Dr. Nadir is sitting on the footsteps of old Herbalife office, that is 1800 Boulevard, where Herbalife started. And then this is our journey: Nepal, Phuket, getting a massage done, Rome. This is the Colosseum, seven wonders of the world. And then they chartered a plane to take us around Mount Everest. And this was the S&P then. Can you see? There were so few of us. There was Hemang, Sandeep, Ravi Sundaram, and only few Usha, Vasanti, and we had a great time. And then this is Singapore, and we went to Atlanta on 25th anniversary of Herbalife. And all of you in this call, I'm sure you will be there at the 50th anniversary of Herbalife. 25th anniversary was so grand. Sir Elton John played live for us. We went to CNN studios and we understood how big the company was, how big the heart was, how big the stage was, the biggest in the corporate history. We saw how our checks were printed. In 21 years, we have never had a check late delivered in our life. We have never had shortage of products. So that is how the company is. Then, you people are so lucky. Everything is ready for you. When we joined Herbalife, there used to be one supervisor school in Bangalore, and we had to travel to Bangalore, to attend a supervisor school. There was no extravaganza, no spectacular, no Karada scan, no nutrition club, no fit club. There was nothing. We used to use the product. And from north, we used to go to west and south, and from south and west and east, they used to come. We used to hold each other's finger. We used to tell each other's story. And that is how Herbalife got built in India. But, me and few of us, 6, 7 of us went to Mexico and to learn from mother and father of nutrition clubs, Chela and Enrique Varela. And this is in their house, learning to run a nutrition club. And came back and we opened the first club in North India. Ravi Sundaram opened in Chennai and Ravi Iyengar opened in Bangalore. And that is how nutrition club started in India. But today the road is ready. You have your mentors, you have the system, you have virtual trainings. You just have to plug in and there you go. You are at the right time, at the right place. India has never seen such a tremendous growth. Every month, so many president teams are popping up. There are diamonds and there are Ks, and it is like, there's a wave and you are at the right time because you will also rise with the wave. And that is the philosophy of nature. Everything rises with the wave. So just do it, follow your mentors, and you will be there. And then this is our lifestyles, skiing in Switzerland, Swiss slopes, and this is Greece, Santorini, and this is Malaysia having fun. And now Paris duty free, where we shop to our heart's content. And this is Paris. The cap I'm wearing is also given by corporate. It has Herbalife branded cap. And this is Chichen Itza, the new seventh wonder of the world, when we went to Cancun. And then this is our new factory where 14 football fields can arrive. This is in North Carolina. And we are always with our mentors and friends, like Raju ji and Cynthia. And see, we are again here with them, we just love them. So we are around them. So because we have learned, if you stay around successful people, you also become successful. So we stay close to them so that, we also keep getting successful. They keep teaching us new things. And then, so this was the third gift. That was lifestyle. The fourth gift we got was vacation. As I told you earlier, we never had enough money or enough time to go on vacation, but we used to go to Shimla, Nainital. But with Herbalife, we have never, ever missed a vacation. And this is the first vacation we stayed at Leela in Kerala. The second vacation was in Jodhpur. The clothes are also given by the corporate. The whole village was created. Then it was Star Virgo. There was a cruise to Thailand and Malaysia. Then we went to Maldives and we did water sports. Then we went to Hawaii. Hawaii, my God, Waikoloa village. The hotel was so big that from one corner to another, there was a tram, there was a helicopter, there was a bus, there was a boat. They even gave us $400 to do shopping. I mean, Herbalife is great and you don't get to go alone. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets. You can take your family on international vacations. Do you know, I'm a top consultant in La Femme Fortis, Apollo, Rosewalk. They have never even taken us out of Delhi. Not out of Delhi. Forget India. And Herbalife, if you work hard, they give you international vacations. So you can imagine the excitement why we do Herbalife. We have friends around the whole country and we have family like Rajuji and Cynthia, and then we enjoy ourselves. And then this was Phuket, James Bond Island, and then this was Dubai, having fun. And then this was Hong Kong. And see again, Cynthia ji and Raju ji, this is Abu Dhabi, outside the mosque and Bollywood theme park. It is so much fun. We look forward to vacations to be with each other, to spend time with each other, to joke, to gossip good things, to talk shopping, to, do shopping, clothes, jewelry, so much fun. Yes, that is the lifestyle. And so that was the next gift we got was vacation. But Herbalife keeps giving. We got health, we got wealth, we got lifestyle, we got vacation. But the biggest gift you will get is the personal development. So, before Herbalife and even now, I'm a very simple person. I don't know a lot of things. Before Herbalife, I knew I was a homemaker. I knew how to run my house and I knew how to see my patients. I didn't know how to use the computer. I didn't know financial skills. I didn't have business skills. I didn't have public speaking skills. And, I was actually so buddhu, but, we were mentored by Jim Rohn and we 5 of us, qualified to have a sit down dinner with him where he taught us to do multitasking. He told me, if you want to be successful, you have to learn multiple skills. And then we met Robin Sharma and he said, you have to dream big. If you dream, you can achieve. And, learning from them and learning from Indian leadership and learning from Rajuji, Cynthia, and, our life changed. But lot of photographs are mine because Dr. Nader is a very good orator. But मुझे तो बोलना ही नहीं आता था. I was like so nervous. First time somebody pushed me on the Herbalife stage to go and tell my story. My heart was pounding like this. I was shaking. I was drenched in sweat. And I forgot to tell my name also. And from there, and I am here training you all. The life has been 360 degrees. The first time I went on stage with Dr. Nadir to do promotion, he said, "You do." And I started crying, literally. And I said, "I don't know what to do." And he said, "Okay, okay, I will do the promotion. You just tell your story." And then, I went to Odisha to open Odisha. And, Maya Yoki was there, our chairman's club. And they're saying, "Doctor is here, doctor is here." And I didn't know how to use the computer. And I'm on phone asking Dr. Nadir how to hide the slide and how to shift the slide. And that is how I was. But Herbalife stage gives you an opportunity to do the impossible, because you keep doing it again and again, and it becomes comfortable. And so now, these are my earlier photographs on CNN, IBN, and NDTV. This is recent, I think last month, talking of COVID vaccine. I was on NDTV many, many times, on national television with the experts, and then I am on radio. I go live on Radio FM, Big FM, Rainbow FM. But you know what? I can do all this. How? I learned this time management, in Herbalife. And then, this was just recently in May. And these are some of my articles. See, I'm not saying I'm great. I am saying when a simple Buddhu person like me could learn so many things, you all can do better than us, better than me, because, I have so many things to do. So these are some of my articles and books and what I keep writing, and you have been very kind to show on the video. And this is with the film stars. And, this is how it keeps going. And this is what I want to show you was, there was also a Tamil newspaper, and it was in Punjab Kesari and Assam Tribunal, and all over the country my articles were covered in this. And I sent to and Bengal, and I sent to our leaders in different states. And this is health shots, and this was recently in Hindustan Times and Times of India. So a national role we have to play. Then wrote 2 books, and then got the best doctor award from the Union Minister Vijay Goyal. And these are the videos we have to make for Fortis. And this is how I look. Herbalife is so simple. I'm sitting, talking to you, dancing, having my fresh. But in hospital, I'm wearing a mask, I'm wearing a shield, I'm wearing a gown, I'm suffocated. By night, I don't get enough oxygen, I start getting a headache. The life is so difficult, but Herbalife is so nice and enjoyable, really. And this is how we do in Herbalife. So this is really a personality change. And so this is personal development. Another gift we got was recognition. Although, we are among the senior consultants, there is no recognition like this. Herbalife recognizes you in front of 15,000 people. This is when we got a president team pin in our first extravaganza. And, it was so great. And then we were invited to US. And this is John Heiss, who makes 24 line of products, and Steve Henning. And then the doctors, they receive you, and the CEO reads your story, and you put your name on Wall of Fame. So I'm telling you why you need to be a president team, because whether we remain, we will be not here forever. Even when we are gone, our name will be in Herbalife office on the Wall of Fame. That is why you need to become president team, so that your future generations can see your name on Wall of Fame. And then we did Lifetime Achievement Award, I think 6 years back. So, this is thanks to our customers who believed in us. We just love the product. We walk and talk and sleep. Everything is because of Herbalife products. And because of our passion of these products, we continue every day. And because people use this product, we got Lifetime Achievement Award many, many years back. And this is with our stars. If we were not in Herbalife, we would not be near them. And you get this opportunity to learn active, healthy lifestyle. And then I got, thanks to Herbalife Corporate, I got the opportunity and my privilege to, launch Women's Choice with Dia Mirza in last extravaganza, I think, or spectacular, I think. Okay. So this was amazing. So this has been the story so far, but the story continues. The story continues because we continue to use Herbalife product. We will continue to talk about it, and we will continue to take this message around the world one by one, one by one. Okay. So now let us talk about wellness and let us start our training. So everybody now serious, because health, now you must understand, is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being, and not merely absence of disease. It means if you are not sick, it necessarily doesn't mean that you are healthy. So to be healthy, you have to be happy, you have to get adequate sleep, you have to drink enough water, you have to take a balanced diet, and you have to exercise. So a lot of people think, no, physical health only is important. 91% think, no, if we are happy, we are healthy. 87% think if we are looking good, we are healthy. And people think if we are well off, then we are healthy. No, we need everything. Then only we are healthy. So if somebody cannot sleep properly, one feels tired, the concentration is low, that means they are not in good health. So it is 20% exercise, like you saw, I'm every day exercising, but 80% is our diet, which goes towards maintaining good health. So see, look at the plants. You know, if the plants need nutrition, obviously the human beings need nutrition. Now plants need sunlight, they need nutrients in the soil, they need water. And suppose the nutrition is not there, the leaves become yellow, there will be holes in the leaves, the plants wither. So imagine if plants can do that, what about human beings? You know, if there is not enough nutrition, our eyesight becomes bad, we get cracks at the corner of our mouth, you know, we feel weak, you know, our muscles are not strong, our bones are not strong, we have cramps in the legs. So you can imagine what nutrition deficit can do. So if we take good nutrition, it leads to wellness. But if the nutrition is not adequate, then it leads to sickness. So nutrition affects behavior, our learning, performance, vitality. And as a gynecologist, let me tell you, it affects the fertility status because it's very, very important. So who needs nutrition? People who are in stressful jobs, you know, unhealthy work environment, smokers, people who, you know, take alcohol, or elderly people, athletes, pregnancy, lactation, you know, everybody needs good nutrition. So challenge is how to eat enough, but, you know, maintain good health, how to take enough water, how to eat whole foods, how to limit sugars, and how to maintain an active, healthy lifestyle. But here I want to tell you one thing, eating less is not going to help you reduce weight, because if we eat less than what we need, if we drink water less than what we need, the body goes into a famine instinct. That means, see, our forefathers, they were food gatherers. They were not food producers. There was no agriculture. So what happened that, you know, they would eat something, whatever was available in the jungles, and then they would go hungry for many days. So our bodies are made for starvation. So when you are eating very less, the body starts to hold everything and you gain weight, because body doesn't know when it's going to get the next nutrition. So if you have hit a plateau, the best thing to do is cut back 500 calories, but then only 40% cut has to be in your diet, but 60% you have to burn through exercise. That is the way to lose weight if somebody hits plateau. We need to hydrate. We need to drink 3 to 4 liters, especially in summer. So to stay healthy, what do we need? We need fresh air, which is not there. We need clean water, which is not there. And we need organic food, which is so expensive to get. It is there, but you know, all these things are a challenge. So we don't get these. So even if we are eating all this, we are not eating in the right proportion. See, every calorie is not the same. They too look similar. One is broccoli, one is an ice cream cone. But there is a lot of difference in the calories. So don't go on the shape only. Then there is portion distortion. You know, earlier we used to have small meals, now it's huge. So we are, portions have become very big. There is super sizing. And what has happened in the process, there is also genetic influence. On the left side, you see the Indian fat cell. The size of the fat cell is big. Okay, and on the right side you see the European size. So fat cells are very small. So we have a genetic predisposition to obesity also, along with the factors I am telling you, the supersizing and not eating in the right proportion, and all this is leading to bad health or obesity. Then people ask, why should I take supplements? So, there is not even one study which proves that we can get adequate vitamins and minerals from our food, not even one. So it is very important to take supplements, but I want you to understand two things. One is recommended daily allowance or recommended dietary allowance, which is to prevent you from falling sick. If you take nutrition in this amount, you will not get disease. But there is something like a optimum nutrition. That means, see, if our children are taking an exam, we want them to get not only pass marks, but 100 out of 100. So RDA is pass marks. Optimum nutrition or ODA is 100 out of 100. If you want to be in peak of health and perform optimally, then you need ODA. For example, vitamin E only requirement is up to 30 units if you don't want to fall sick. But if you want your immunity to be good, then you need 400 units every day. Vitamin C, 60 milligram is enough so that you don't get scurvy, so that your gums don't bleed. But if you want immunity, then you have to take up to 2 grams per day. So this is ODA. That is the difference. In 1950, spinach had 150 milligram of vitamin C. Now we have vitamin C free spinach. See, the nutrition has gone down so much, right? So there is decline in the nutrients in the soil. So the nutrition in our crops is going down. In 1985, they used to say, oh, doctor, I eat an apple so that you keep away from us. Now in 2020, more than 5 apples are required if you don't want to come to a doctor like us. So you can imagine how nutritional requirement has changed. So let us understand nutrition to eat well. This I have already told you. So, there are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients is something which we require in larger amounts, and micronutrients is something which we require in very, very small amounts. So there are 3 macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. And all 3 are very, very important. So let us talk of proteins. What are proteins? So they are made of different amino acids, and according to their combination, it depends whether they are complete or incomplete. So they are building blocks of our body. So complete protein is something which contains all 9 essential amino acids. Animal proteins are complete. But incomplete proteins don't have all 9 essential amino acids. So, they are alternatives. So complete proteins are dairy products, egg, meat, chicken, seafood, and soy. These are complete protein. Okay. And so people think we are taking complete protein, but some of you must not have heard of amaranth, quinoa, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds. How many of you eat all this every day? I do. I put a post on Instagram with the seeds. I was roasting the seeds. So I make a combination of all seeds, dry roast them, and have them. But how many of us have these complete proteins? It is difficult to get them. Incomplete means some things are missing, like beans, grains, nuts, peas, seeds. That is why it is always good to combine dal with chawal, we combine the two proteins, we call them complementary proteins. That is why in India, the food is very good. So we combine different food groups so that we try to get all the proteins. So the complementing, you can add some grains, you can add nuts, seeds, vegetables, all this to your diet. So why do we need protein? Protein is not only for muscle. Protein is for growth. Protein is for immunity. All the immune cells, they contain protein. If we don't get enough protein, the immune cells, they break down and our immunity becomes low. For skin, we need protein. For hair, people say we're losing your hair. So what do you need? You need protein for good hair, for repair, for muscle growth, for hormones. Everything needs protein. So it is a dynamic molecule. Body does not manufacture protein. Protein is built after the meals. Immediately when you eat something, there is protein synthesis. But in between meals, the protein gets broken down. Even when you are sleeping, the protein gets broken down. So since it's a dynamic molecule, we need to take adequate protein on everyday basis. So other one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is fuel, which gives us energy. So this is also very, very important. But there are good carbohydrates and bad carbohydrates. Good carbohydrates are God-made, which we can have raw. We can pluck from the trees, the fruits and vegetables. This is what body needs. They are good carbohydrates. The bad carbohydrates are man-made, made out of refined flour, the breads, the cakes, the sweets, the pastries. So what our body needs is good carbohydrates. What we need to limit is bad carbohydrates. So there are three types of carbohydrate. Simple, which get converted to sugar immediately after ingestion. The complex carbohydrates take time to convert into blood sugar, and fiber is the insoluble part of the carbohydrate. And then we talk of the third macronutrient, which is fat. Now, fat is very, very important. There is always a myth that we want to have a fat-free diet, but that's a fad and it is not scientifically true. The role of fat is great. Fats are required for energy. It improves our metabolism. It maintains the integrity of cell membrane. All our cells are lined with a sheath called as cell membrane. So to maintain the integrity of that sheath, we need fat. It's a signaling molecule which takes messages to the brain. So we need fat for the message to go. And they are vitamin carriers because vitamin A, D, E, K, they get dissolved in fat. If there is no fat in our diet, even if we take these vitamins, they will not get soluble. They will not be utilized by the body. So we do need fat. So let us now talk of Herbalife nutrition. Okay. So today's challenge is that we are not getting enough of the nutrients, and then the way we cook, we boil, we broil, we fry, we microwave, we do so many things, and cooking can damage these vitamins and minerals and other things, in our diet. So Herbalife offers solutions. It takes care of what is missing in our shopping or missing in our diet, and it also makes up for the deficiencies which happen during cooking. So, there is, Jim Rohn used to say that there is enough evidence from testimonies and live testimonies that, it is possible to lead an extraordinary life in physical health wise and financially. And regardless of our current state, there is always hope for us. And we have testimonies, millions of testimonies in Herbalife world. So of course, if we take, and I am a live testimony, at 62, I can do exercise like youngsters. So, as long as we take Herbalife products, there is hope for good health. So, let us talk first of nutrition philosophy. So what our body needs is 30% of proteins, 30% of good fats, and 40% of carbohydrates. And you all know this, but how many calories it is comes to? We have explained this earlier, but I am going to repeat because we may be having new people in the call. So let us take an example of a 70 kg person. So we all know that we need 30 calories per kg body weight. So a 70 kg person will require 2100 calories per day. So how to divide the calories? So 30% of proteins and 30% of fats. So 30% of 2100 is 630 calories. So 630 calories have to come from proteins and 630 calories have to come from fats, and 40% calories, that means 840, need to come from carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates. Hey, you people cannot yawn and sleep. I am so excited. Come on, guys, get excited. Have some afresh, okay? I can see some people yawning. Come on, have your afresh and get some energy, okay? And smile. Don't look so serious. I am looking at some serious faces. Smile, all of you. See, I am smiling. I like to see happy people. Okay. So protein should give this, fat should give this, and carbohydrate should give 840 calories. So you must know that protein gives 4 calories per gram, fats give 9 calories per gram. Please write this down. And carbohydrates give 4 calories per gram. So 1 gram of protein has 4 calories. Proteins should give us 630 calories. So we need to eat 630 divided by 4, 158 gram of protein. So a 70 kg person requires 158 gram of protein. Similarly, 1 gram of carbohydrate has 4 calories. So carbohydrate should give 840 calories. So that means we need 210 grams of carbohydrate. Similarly, 1 gram of fat gives 9 calories. Fat should give 630. So we need 70 grams of fat. So in short, it means a 70 kg person, because we need to, all of us need 30 calories per kg body weight. So a 70 kg person needs 2100 calories, out of which, how will they come? They need 158 grams of protein, 70 grams of fat, and 210 grams of carbohydrate. So roughly it comes to 1 gram of fat per kg, 2 grams of protein per kg, and 3 grams of complex carbohydrates. So when we talk of global nutrition philosophy, 30, 30, 40, it means whatever weight, we must consume that many grams of fat. So 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of protein, and 3 grams of carbohydrate. This is our global nutrition philosophy. So let us now talk of our superstars, the products. So we have divided into core nutrition and targeted nutrition. So core nutrition is what body does not manufacture. We have to take from outside. And targeted nutrition is for specific need. So core nutrition involves proteins, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. Our bodies cannot make them. So we need, all of us, irrespective of our age, our sex, our activity levels, we all need core nutrition. After 12 years of age, everybody needs core nutrition. So first product is our shake. You know, we start the day with it. And what you need to know is just amazing flavor. Show this picture to your customers. They are mouth watering, right? We have banana, we have strawberry, we have mango, we have kulfi, we have chocolate, and the new flavor is coming very soon. We are just shortly, it's going to be launched. So keep tuned, you know. And this is the vanilla flower. I wanted to show you that we consume vanilla ice cream and vanilla shake, and these are how it looks, so mouth watering. So what you need to remember is that it is a meal replacement and we have 40% of world's share. So you are not working or consuming a local product. It's an international which has 40% share in the world market, not Indian market, the world. And so many servings were sold in 2019. So we feel so proud to be associated with Herbalife. Okay. So three things you have to remember. It's a meal replacement, it's a calorie controlled, and it is nutrient dense. That means you can use it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Every time you take Formula One, you will get 9 grams of protein in one serving and 90 calories. And of course, it will give you all the nutrition you require on a daily basis, but it is low in calories, sugar, salt, and fat. It is made up of soya protein isolate, whey protein, and milk solids. So a lot of people will say, no, we use soya milk, we consume tofu, while we use soya atta in our atta, why should we use your shake? So tell them, when we use soya oil, we don't get any protein. Soya milk is, by the way, not milk. Now it is known as soya beverage. It is not milk anymore. So it gives only 4% protein. Tofu gives 8%, but we have soya isolate. So it gives 90% protein. Okay, so first we used to use a marker PDCAS, that was protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. And PDCAS score of 1 meant that it is 100% absorbed and utilized. But since we have lot of wellness coaches, we work in wellness industry, so now we have another quality index, which is known as DIAS. Please write this down. It is DIAAS. It is digestible, indispensable amino acid score. So this shows, and this is also 1. So our product is the best. See, you can have protein, but if you have dal 3 katoris, you will not be able to digest it. If I tell you to have half a kg of paneer, you will not be able to digest it. The good thing about Herbalife Shake is that it's a pre-digested protein, because the DIAS score is 1, the PDCAS score is 1, it is 100% absorbed and utilized. So it is not a problem. It does not cause gastric disturbance. Isliye we have to use Herbalife Shake. So it is 1-1. Then people say, okay, should we use soy if we have a thyroid problem? Or do males get some female effects if they use soy? So no scientific evidence, no report says that soya is bad for people who have thyroid and it is good for males. No male is going to become female if they consume soya. So please consume Herbalife Shake. Then it is low GI. You all know that. So these are some of the salient points. Please write them down. I've added new slides. Why we need Formula One? Meal replacement. It's a healthy snack. It is snack on the go. It is need for easy, need to eat. It is digestible and it helps in weight management. So these are the uses of Formula One. Now, look at this. As we age is inevitable. You cannot stop aging, but we can decrease the effects. So why does aging occur? Aging is because of oxidative damage. Now, people have heard of antioxidants, but they don't know what is oxidation process. So let me explain to you. See, if we keep an apple outside, it is going to become bad. As we age, we get fine lines on the forehead. We have lines around our eyes. We have wrinkles on our neck. So this is because of oxidation. The oxygen that is in the air, that is required for breathing. Without oxygen, we cannot live. But what happens is that when we take oxygen, there are chemical reactions in our body. So in that process, we give out carbon dioxide, but in the process, there are some free radicals. free radicals cause sickness, free radicals cause aging. Similarly, the oxygen in the air can put a, if you put a banana or apple, they all become black. This is because of the oxygen in the air. Similarly, when you start a car or a scooter, you have to put petrol or diesel. So the engine will start with the fuel. There will be chemical reactions in the engine, but then you see there are some fumes coming. That is oxidation process, which causes wear and tear. And that is why we need to service our vehicles. Similarly, we need to service our bodies because this is God-made machinery. Okay. So that is the oxidation process. So how do we prevent oxidation? So for that, we need vitamins and minerals. How will you get them? So either you have antioxidant rich food or you have antioxidant rich supplements. So people will say, no, just tell us natural. So we show them this picture. Excuse me. So we tell them these are antioxidant rich foods. Now you think how many of you can identify and how many of you have had this in last 1 week? I'm sure in last 1 month we have not had this. So this is apricot, blueberry, cherry, all this rambutan, plum, guava, longan, persimmon. So we have not even heard of it. Similarly, our customers have not heard of it. So when we have not heard of it, how will we go and buy and eat? So what is easier? Easier is, instead of going and shopping for all this, better to have Formula 2. Easy, 1 tablet 3 times a day. We get our vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and it is fun, simple, magical, and no need to go out of the house in COVID times, and you get whatever nutrition you need. So what does Formula 2? It supplements deficits. It improves the nutrient uptake. It improves energy, and it helps in weight management. So these are key points about Formula 2. Then we are talking about that Indian diets don't have enough protein. And, if we get the right amount of protein, the amino acids, they go to the brain. We don't feel hungry all the time. They travel to the muscle and it supports muscle synthesis. We get healthier muscles. And as I told you, the global nutrition philosophy says 2 grams per kg body weight. Dr. David Heber says 2 grams of protein per kg body weight. So this is what we should be consuming. So what are the sources? These are the sources. But all of us, we are not using this. Hemp seeds, chia seeds, quinoa, peanut butter, almond butter. Who is eating all this? So it is difficult to get protein. These are vegetarian sources, that is non-vegetarian source, but it is not easy to get. So see, I love quinoa, I love walnut, I love amaranth, but as I said, it's not easy. This is how they look. Now, when you see a slide, it's very easy to see so many plant proteins. But who has, all this, as I'm saying? It is only looks good in the picture, but in our daily life, we have not heard and we are not consuming. So, how to get protein? The best way is to get a blend, which is a combination of soya protein and whey protein. So whey protein metabolizes quickly and we get instant energy. And soya protein metabolizes slowly. It stays in our body for 3 to 4 hours, so we don't feel hungry. So our Formula 1 is a blend of soya protein, whey protein, and casein. And that is why we don't feel hungry for at least 4 hours. It stays as a suspension in our bodies. So when we add personalized protein powder, it helps to complete the protein requirement, which is 2 grams per kg body weight. So what PPP does? It supplements the deficits in the Indian diets. It completes the shake and it helps in weight management. These are the 3 points necessary for PPP. It supplements the deficiency in Indian diets and also completes the shake by giving, see, if you only take shake, you get 9 grams. If you take heap spoon, you get 10 grams. If you take in full cream milk, 10 gram. But if you add 2 scoops of PPP, you get another 10 grams. That's the way to make a shake of 30 grams of protein. We have to divide the protein in every meal. We cannot take more than 30 grams of protein per meal. So if you take 30 grams of protein in divided doses during the day, you will be able to complete your protein requirement and you will be able to manage your weight efficiently. Then we come to the fourth essential core nutrition, which is omega-3. Now, omega-3 is required for the entire body, not only for your heart. And how do you get omega-3? It's in fish, walnuts, green leafy vegetables, olive oil, flax seeds. So, you can consume, but not enough. So, our Herbal Lifeline gives you 6 milligram of vitamin E and 300 milligram of essential fatty acids. But science says that females can have up to 1.2 gram and males need 1.8 grams. And for people who have heart disease, they should take 3 to 4 grams. So I take 4 capsules of omega-3 per day. Dr. Nadri takes 6 capsules of omega-3 per day. So if you take more, no harm. It is only going to help you. So these are the key points of omega-3. It lowers blood pressure. It reduces triglyceride. It slows down the development of plaque in the arteries. It reduces the abnormal heart rhythms. It decreases the risk of heart attack and stroke. And it decreases the chance of sudden cardiac death. So omega-3 is not only for heart disease. It regulates your rhythm and decreases the risk of cardiac disease. Now we come to targeted nutrition, which is for specific needs. So we have all these specific need products and we will talk one by one. So let us talk about Niteworks. And this is definitely, it improves circulation, it gives energy, it improves blood flow. So let me show you this diagram, see it carefully. When we are born and up to 20 years of age, there is 100% nitric oxide production in our body. But as we age, the nitric oxide production keeps falling. And when you reach my age, 60s, the body is only producing 15% nitric oxide. So that is why at this age, we are more prone to heart disease because the body is not producing nitric oxide. So look at this picture before after. This is our blood vessel. This is a pipe through which the blood is flowing. So before Niteworks, the lumen, the hole, through which the blood flows is small. But after we take Niteworks, it dilates. The hole becomes bigger. Okay? That means more blood flow can pass through the blood vessel. So when the more blood flow passes, the circulation improves, the plaque deposit becomes less, and there is decreased risk of heart disease. Similarly, after exercise, look at the muscle before. After exercise or during exercise, if we take Niteworks, there is better blood flow to the muscle. So it helps in muscle synthesis also. You get strong muscles. That is why the key points are it improves circulation, it improves endurance during exercise, it improves immunity, it helps in the post-exercise recovery, and better cognitive or memory it gives, Niteworks. How do we get Niteworks from natural sources? All these, you can have pomegranate, pista, you can have watermelon. I like to have my Niteworks twice a day and I feel very good. It improves my endurance during exercise. I drink it during exercise. Then we come to Beta Heart. Now, Beta Heart is oat beta glucan. That means it's an oat fiber. It's a very, very good product because it decreases cholesterol, it maintains blood sugar levels, it helps in weight management, and it also helps the growth of friendly bacteria, that is prebiotics. So beta glucan is very essential for diabetics, and it is very good for gut health. And Hippocrates 2600 years ago said everything starts in your gut. So all diseases start from the stomach. Why are people yawning? Have some fresh smile. This is so interesting. Everything starts in the gut. Have some fresh. Am I so boring that you people feel like sleeping? No, no. Okay. All right. I can see some smiles. So, you need to understand that women suffer a lot from digestive problems. And 95% of happy hormones are produced in our stomach, in our gut. And 70% of immunity cells, they are located in our gut. So gut agar acha hoga, if our gut is healthy, we will be free from sickness. So there is something, I talked about gut-brain axis and prebiotics, probiotics on my social media. So whatever happens in our gut, it influences neurotransmitters. That means if your gut is healthy, you will be happy because there'll be happy hormones. You will be in good mood. You will have a good behavior. And it, of course, it's a vicious circle. So if you have enough fiber, enough prebiotics, probiotics, it improves gut, and gut makes your brain good, and it improves your behavior and makes you happy. So if our gut is not healthy, it will look like this. But good health is like this. So there are prebiotic foods which are good, we must consume, and we have probiotics. But we must take all this to improve our gut health. But I want to talk a bit about lactose intolerance. Now, lactose intolerance is, when a person has symptoms, it is due to decreased ability to digest a sugar which is present in our stomach, which is lactose. Okay, lactose is in dairy, and there is an enzyme in our gut which breaks down this lactose. For example, oh, it's not here, just a minute. No, it's not here, doesn't matter. So what happens, this lactose is broken down into lactulose, okay, in our gut. When we lack the enzyme to break down lactose, then we can have gas, we can have pain, we can have some sounds, we can have loose stools, diarrhea. But do you know lactose is present in everything? It is present in curd. It is present in ice cream. It is present in everything. Sour cream, cheese, whole milk, yogurt. So if somebody can have ice cream, that means they are not lactose intolerant. That means they are lactose malabsorbent. There is decreased ability to digest lactose. Lactose intolerance means they cannot even consume 1%. Butter has 1% of lactose. So if somebody can have butter, they are not lactose intolerant. They are just malabsorption to lactose. Lactose intolerant means they cannot touch even 1% of lactose. So don't call everything lactose. We can use lower lactose giving substances, and that is why we have Shakemate, because it has 1/3 of lactose than in milk. So if somebody is malabsorption of lactose, they can make their shake in Shakemate. That's what I wanted. If the total lactose load is less than 12 grams, generally we should be able to tolerate lactose. Okay. So as I said, we must consume for gut health prebiotics, probiotics. So we have Simply Probiotic, which has a special bacteria. It has Garadin BC60, and the good thing is it bypasses the stomach and then it goes to our gut. Gastric environment को bypass करता है, and there it helps in formation of good bacteria and it helps in digestive health. So we must take Simply Probiotic. And then for gut health, we also have aloe in the liquid form. It is so refreshing. You can make a aloe drink in summer. We also have it in the capsulated form. Then we talk of fiber. Now, fiber is of two types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber is what reduces your cholesterol. By the way, cholesterol is not because of the fat we take. The cholesterol happens because of the sugars we consume. Sugar doesn't mean sugar. If we eat too much carbohydrate, it is sugar. That sugar gets converted to triglyceride. You know, our bloodstream can only carry 300 grams of glucose. Rest of the glucose, whatever we eat is broken down into glucose in our body. So our blood can carry only 300 grams of glucose. Rest of the glucose gets stored in liver as glycogen. So liver can hold up to 1200 grams of glucose. If the blood sugar is more than 1200, then it gets converted into triglyceride or cholesterol, bad cholesterol. So the fiber reduces the cholesterol and it stabilizes blood sugar. Insoluble part of fiber, it increases the bulk and prevents constipation. So we Indians, we need, actually ICMR now suggests 40 grams per day. But Indians get 10 to 12 grams per day. So there is a deficit of 2/3. And that is why we need to add fiber to our diet. So what does fiber do? These are the key points. It helps in achieving healthy weight. It lowers the risk of heart disease and it regulates blood sugars. It prevents certain cancers and it lowers blood cholesterol. See, nice, no slide? But this credit goes to Dr. Nadir. He makes beautiful slides. Hai na? See how nice it looks? Okay. So fiber, you can have to consume complex carbohydrates. There also you get fiber. Our shake gives you Formula 1 3 grams of fiber. And then we have active fiber complex, which will give you 5 grams of fiber per serving. You can add it to your shake. So these are some of the natural sources of fiber, which we must consume, like green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits and almonds and beans. Now we talk of cell activator. As I told you what antioxidant is, so cell activator has a very powerful antioxidant, which is known as resveratrol. Now we come to metabolism. Okay, so that was about digestive health. Now we talk of metabolic products which will improve our metabolism. So we have herbal control, which is a combination of black tea, green tea and oolong tea. Oolong is yellow tea. It is one of the most expensive teas in the world. So it gives you 80 milligram caffeine. Do you know? Now the label says twice a day. So we have to be very careful. Why twice a day? I will just explain later. Now then the other product which I love and I'm having is our fresh in multiple flavors. I'm having cinnamon because it really spices up my life. You can spice your life by adding cinnamon and so many herbs. We have such amazing flavors, and that contains 40 milligram. And you are supposed to make it in 160 ml. And what I want to tell you is that now we have green tea extract instead of guarana. We have 50 servings in our fresh. One serving is 1 gram. Okay. 1 spoon is 1 serving and it has 50 servings. What does caffeine do? These are the key points. Don't be afraid of caffeine. It improves energy. It helps in burning fat. It improves performance. It contains essential. It's a non-essential nutrient. Write it down. Caffeine is a non-essential nutrient. But it reduces the risk of diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson, may protect your liver, may reduce the risk of cancer, is the biggest source of antioxidant, but it is non-essential. It is not necessary to take. That is why it is non-essential. But there is something known as caffeine toxicity, because you should be careful of how much caffeine one is using, because caffeine toxicity, can affect the brain. It can give tremors. It can sometimes cause dizziness. So one should be careful of how much caffeine to use. Ice cream has caffeine. Soft drinks have got caffeine. Fresh has caffeine. Tea, coffee, everything has caffeine. But what I want to tell you is the safe limit. Don't give to children till 12 years of age. Up to 18, don't give more than 100 milligram, and no more than 200 milligram for heart patients, diabetic, during pregnancy or lactation. For normal people, not more than 400 gram. So if we are using 2 tablets of herbal control, we get 160 milligram of caffeine. That means you can only have 240 milligram more. That means 240 means you can count how many milligram of fresh, how many times. If you want tea, normal tea, coffee or ice cream, then don't have fresh many times, because fresh gives 40 milligram. If you have 5 times fresh, you are getting 200 milligram already. So be careful how much caffeine you are using. Okay. Then we talk of the skin. It's very important. And skin, the elasticity is maintained by collagen. You can see the green fibers. If the green fibers, the collagen fibers break down, then, it affects our skin, our muscles, because collagen is what holds everything together. So for hair, we need collagen. For skin, we need collagen. For good muscles, we need collagen. For joint pains, to prevent joint pains, we need collagen. So collagen is, available in all these natural foods, but we have a skin booster which will give us collagen, which comes from fish. It is also gives us vitamin C, B2, B6, niacin, biotin, and 5 grams of collagen. But you just mix it in a glass of water, but the results will come only after 12 weeks. Look at my skin. At 62, I hardly have any wrinkles, because I consume these Herbalife products. I take enough protein. I take my vitamins. I take omega. I use all the products, and I take my skin booster, and my skin is, not sagging at all at this age. Then there is cellulose to reduce water retention. It works on cellulite. Cellulite is an overgrown fat cell. The fat cell becomes bigger in size and it gets filled with garbage. So cellulose works on cellulite. It breaks down the fat cell. So the water retention becomes less. So you get a smooth skin. And then we have calcium, which is good for bones, blood pressure, for cancer. And benefit is that you will have strong bones, your heart, muscle and nerves also need calcium. And along with vitamin D, it helps bone health. So calcium is very, very essential. And you can also get calcium from broccoli, from dairy, from green leafy vegetables. We must use. Joint support is glucosamine, which supports joint health, and it has sclerotia root and also has minerals like copper and manganese. So do you know glucosamine has a role in helping osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. So our joint support can help with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. And how do we get glucosamine? We generally get it from shelled animals. That means from seafood like crabs and everything. Then we talk of strength and hydrate. So we have a 24 line of product which gives us all the essential vitamins and of course electrolytes, which are used up during exercise. So what I do is I consume my hydrate and Nightworks during exercise, and that keeps my hydration well. And then we have strength. It gives 24 grams of protein per serving. It has tri-core amino acid, and it helps in muscle recovery and muscle synthesis. As I said, it's a dynamic molecule. So when we exercise, we use up our muscle. So for that muscle has to recover. And for muscle synthesis, we need tricode branched amino acids, which comes from Herbalife 24, and it gives you 24 grams per serving. And then we have Dino Shake for our children. And, so we have these amazing products. And for better learning, we combine science with Ayurveda, is good for brain health. Brahmi is known for centuries together. So as we age, for good memory, for focus, for concentration, we have Vritti Life. And for immunity, we have Kalmeg and Tulsi, which is really, really great in building our immunity, especially during COVID times. And then we have my favorite product, which is a woman's choice, which I launched with Dia Mirza and our country head Ajay Khanna. And this is actually, now listen carefully. So this helps to manage mood. And it has 127 milligram of chasteberry, okay? And it has 60 milligram of soya isoflavones. So what it does is it reduces your mental fatigue, irritation, and menopause, whatever hot flashes we have, cold sweats, it helps in that. It has only 1.73 calorie, and anything which is less than 5 calorie is counted as 0 calorie. So it's a 0 calorie product, and it will really help. And there are a lot of studies from different medical studies which say that if you consume 60 milligram of soya isoflavones, it can help with perimenopausal symptoms, menopausal symptoms, premenstrual symptoms. It can help with bloating, depression, anxiety, hot flashes, cold sweats. So woman's choice has a role in premenstrual symptom, in PCOD. It is not the treatment for PCOD, because PCOD requires an integrated approach. It requires a lifestyle modification and exercise, medicine, herbs like woman's choice, and everything. So it helps in PCOD and managing menopause and perimenopause. So all women can take it except during pregnancy and lactation. Then we have healthy snacks like protein bars. So in between surgeries, when I'm hungry and I need energy, this is what I carry. And this is my favorite snack, the protein bars. And it has a goodness of honey, soya, and so many seeds, flax seeds, amaranth seeds, almond flakes, and everything. So this is great. So these are our products, and we follow mega dosage law. That means they do not have any ingredient which is harmful for human consumption. And we follow labeling law, which everything is on the label. Whatever is inside is on the label. So you can safely take these products. We do not treat disease. We give you good health. And whether you're on weight gain, weight loss, or maintenance, with Herbalife products, you always lose fat, lose fluid, and gain muscle. So it is the health food. And now 5-7 minutes, I want to give you just keys to the business. Okay, just tips how to become very successful in Herbalife. Herbalife is actually so simple, and that is why a doctor like me can do it, who has no time, and I'm trying to do multiple things. But because Herbalife is so simple, what you need is passion, and you have to become the product of the product. So my customers or my colleagues in all the hospitals, they don't even know what is in Formula One. All this nutrition information that I have given you, I don't give to them. What they catch is my excitement. They see my product result. They see how happy I am, and they say, we want to become like you. So, you have to become attractive to attract success. You have to use the product. I cannot wear this button, which I'm wearing a button, but I can't wear it in the hospital. So what I do is I'm having my Afresh, I'm having my tablets, I'm having my Nightworks. So they ask me, doctor, how come you are so energetic? How do you do this exercise? So I say, you want that? Okay, use this product. Simple, no? So have that passion, and people know, they can see in your eyes, they can see how you speak. They know whether you're trying to sell something or you're speaking from the heart. So it is all about you. There are three parts: our products, our marketing plan, and you. But everything is same for everybody. The difference is you. So negate the negative. Never listen to any. I have no time to listen to negative. I am so busy trying to become better and trying to do different things that, if you are busy, you have no time for negativity. You have to be solution minded and not problem oriented. And trust is better than doubt. Don't keep doubting whether these products are safe. We have millions of stories. So there is not a hint of doubt whether these products are safe or not. But that's a psyche of a new associate or a wellness coach. But our testimonies give that confidence. Then always be positive with your people. It is not about what we say. Our people are like our children. They are always watching us. Children speak the truth, and sometimes they will tell in front of everybody what's going on in the house. It is similarly, it's about your associates or about your customers. If I am not using the product in front of them, they are not going to use. They will say, if the products are so good, why aren't you using? Why we have such a strong customer base and why we get 1 million volume points? But we are using the products. We are product of the product. So we are teaching our people something. And sometimes we have challenges. So always talk to your upline. Always talk to your mentors. Never talk to your downline. Never spread doubt or negativity in your downline. And look and feel successful. It's a journey. What you are seeing today, my fitness, is after 20 years of using Herbalife. What you see me doing so many things as a successful doctor is after 30 years of practice. What you see me as president team is hard work, of 20 years. And every day we continue to do it with 100% attitude. So it will take time. It is not like this. Everything is hard work. So stay, don't quit. And till you reach it, fake it. That means you have to look and feel successful. So don't say, oh, that's for president teams. No, it happens automatically. You don't know how your life changes, how your lifestyle changes. Just happens automatically if you keep doing the work consistently. Then actively listen. Listen to your customers. Listen to their whatever they need to say. Listen to your associates. Take notes. And when you speak, bring value to the marketplace. If you can't bring value, keep quiet. And the way, how I learned public speaking means how I learned to do training and to tell my story. We were taught by Jim Rohn to write. So I used to write. I'll show you someday. I used to write, I am Dr. Lavlina Nadir. I am a gynecologist. I joined Herbalife before her. I used to write that. And even today, I write before going on stage. So write it down and then tape yourself. See whether you're speaking well. I'm sure Rajuji and Cynthia they have recorded and they're going to listen to it. And then they will tell us what we need to, how we need to become better. Because you never stop learning. When you stop learning, you stop growing. So you keep learning. Okay. So knowledge and whatever you have learned today, if you are not going to apply, you are not going to be successful. Initially, when we were small associates, we used to write. How do we know that? We used to close our journal and keep it. After few years, when Jim Rohn was gone, we opened our journals and every word is worth its weight in gold. So sometimes we need to grow and then we can register in our mind. Initially, we may not register, but if you write it down, we can always revert back and understand as we grow. So please write everything down and actively listen. Replace bad habits with good ones, and sometimes, people will say, I can't do it. Somebody has taken my customer. Oh, there is discounting on net. Somebody has given product. Don't do that. Don't do that. You become better. You learn better skills. If you are good, people are not going to leave you. Okay? Because people are not buying the product. People are buying you. People are buying your confidence. They don't know what is in the product. And if you are feeling bad, go to basics. You start using the product, you become attractive, you start talking again, you get a better result. Okay. And that's the way to go about it. And bad habits are difficult to break, but so are good ones. Now, if you tell me you become lazy, I can't. If you tell me you don't do this today, do it tomorrow, I can't. If you tell me, okay, you can come late, I can't. So, if you develop good habits, you will develop them for life. I'm always before time, whether it is a wedding, whether it is my surgery to reach the operation theater, or to reach my OPD, or to be on the call training you, always before time. Okay. So develop good habits. It takes time to change. And then set goals. I have my goal. You know, after so many years, you have to have some motivation to get up in the morning, start your day again. So I have my goals, and all successful people need to have written down goals. So when you write down goals, you visualize. You are visualizing everything and you work towards it. So when you talk to people, you don't go for Herbalife. You go for your goal. For okay, so have your personal goals, your financial goals, your Herbalife marketing goals, everything written down. What you want to become, everything. So set your goals. And then visualization. Do you know, when we were not president teams, Rajuji and Cynthia ji used to visualize for us. They used to visualize that we will be sitting in the lounge, president team lounge with them. They used to take us to president team lounge to train us. And we were in Paris and they said, we are visualizing, and the next extravaganza, we were president team. So that's the power of visualization, and that's the power of good friends and good mentors. And you are so lucky to have them. You know, my best time of my life was when they used to come to Delhi. We used to train, we used to work, we used to party hard, and they are such precious memories. I really wish you both come to Delhi again, and we will have good time again. So, imagine and visualize. No distractions. You have to do it. So either have do or die attitude, get that burning desire, and wear blinders like a horse, and you will reach there. So every time a vacation is announced, just every day, every month you have to see whether how much volume, how much closer you are. Every day make a vacation tracker in your house, in your office. See how much volume. If you have some goal, see how far you are from that goal. So have that tracker. Okay. Then don't lie to yourself. Become accountable. Become accountable to your members. Keep gauges. See how much work you have done. You know how I can multitask is because in Herbalife I have learned time management. I can go on TV, I can do my patients, I can see my house, I can do so many things, and I have time for everything because a night before I have a timetable ready in my mind how my next day is going to look like. So I don't waste time. So it goes by the clock, except for emergencies, of course. So have gauges, and that's the way to be successful. And keep it short and simple. Was I difficult today? I hope not. I like to have fun, simple, magical, because basics are always easy. So do it now. Massive action is going to produce massive results. Embrace responsibility. You have to own your life, own your business, own your health. Okay, own yourself. It's the only life we have. And you live in this body. Jim Rohn said you only have one body. You cannot replace this body. So work on your health. Okay, and fly in the plane of ambition and land in the airport of success. May the luck be yours. This is wish my mind. This wish is mine. May your future always shine. So thank you, thank you, thank you. That was all from my side. And this is Mark Hughes, and he always gave us, good goal, and he has left a legacy. And I wish you all health, wealth, and longevity, and always thankful for your time and attention. It has been an honor to be with you on this call.